going on? I go by the name of TNS, Time and Space. About to take the So Gone Challenge. Let's go. Yo. You know it's all about relationships. If you wasn't up in one, you know that they be hating it. They hate the fact that you was single. You just want to mingle. You ain't try to have them problems and you ain't trying to solve them. And you don't want that baggage. And yeah, the way she yapping, talking about you a commitment phobe. You don't want commitment though. So she talking about this situation and you know you doing so many things that's like a commitment. But you ain't really committed cause you know when it come around to them holidays, you ain't got a lot to say, especially Valentine's. I guess you out of line. You ain't really buy them roses. I'm thinking that she looking at you, she was feeling frozen. She like a ice queen, cause you ain't supporting the dream. You ain't buy a ring yet, so you ain't do your thing yet. She talking about you need to put a ring on it. You just see the stage and you wanna do your thing on it. So let me talk about commitment. You ain't really committed, but she ain't trying to listen. You said you wanted it casual. Now she put you on sabbatical. You being tactical, tried to use some strategy, and now she all mad at me. Wondering why she was talking and she was stalking. She was wondering who you calling, and you just there balling. You was balling on the court and you balling in the club, and you tried to show her love, but she ain't seeing what's up. So you ain't really wanna have it serious, but she looking at you. Your intention so mysterious. She just wanted to try to make some changes. She wanted to rearrange it, but that's what happens when you find a dude and try to fix them. That's the way it is. You tried to mix them like a chemist. Maybe it was intended something different. You ain't listen, and he tried to give you his true views, but you know you did your interview, but you didn't listen to the interlude. I guess it's all edited, kinda like a predicate. He feeling like Florida, you feeling like Connecticut. In other words, hot weather, cold weather, and now we come together, make a hurricane. Have you heard of pain? Now you really know about it though. TNS is flowing, everybody going, and they following the cipher, and people didn't like it cause they say you a commitment phobe. You ain't really like it, you ain't wanting that commitment though, but maybe you should stay it, and maybe you should play it, maybe say it, maybe say what she was trying to hear. That's the only way to avoid you seeing them tears, and she wondering why she was investing them years. So you wanna try to see a brother talk like this, but I ain't never gonna try to do that bullshit. No, a lot of new rappers wanna talk like this, but TNS would rather try be a lyricist. Everybody wanna talk about lyricism and what we doing. It's so amusing and at the same time so confusing. I made mistakes, I leave them in, it's all good. You could go below the surface, it didn't have to be perfect. But everything is perfect, you could say a perfect picture, and it's a perfect mixture, and the mixture's all perfect, and yes, it's all worth it. You could go below the surface, and when you dealing with love, guarantee you gonna be hurting. And made a song called Jaded. How can I explain it? I said I'm single, I'm jaded, and people would hate it. I could tell you that I wanna walk right down the aisle. That'll be something that'll make people like it and smile. But then again, I tried to be authentic. People say that I'm demented. What I'm representing is the sentiments of many, and yes, I had plenty and been around the block, but my name is TNS, and this is real hip hop, and I'm gone. That's TNS, Time and Space. So Gone Challenge. Peace.